evening! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Tonight, we will be cooking most requested dish that I always cook when I have company and for parties, and that is my Korean fried chicken wings. Okay, let's cook! On our marinade, we first put the liquid, and we have here soy sauce. And I'm gonna put the measurement on my description of the video. Okay, and then we will have 4 eggs. The thing with this is very easy because we just put all these ingredients together. Okay, and then let's just beat the eggs a little bit there. Break the egg. And I use dark soy sauce here. You could also use the lighter soy sauce. And then, of course, most of this Korean dish has sesame oil. Sesame oil. And then we'll put our half cornstarch and half flour. Okay, you can just mix that in there. And then we'll put our little bit of sugar. And then a little bit of garlic powder. As I said, don't worry about the measurement. It will be on salt. I'll put the sesame seed last, and then our mushroom seasoning. That's my substitute for MSG. Okay. Okay, and then put the sesame seed last. That's it. That's our marinade for our Korean chicken. Okay, now let's set it aside and we'll cut our chicken. Now, let's just cut the chicken, and then we get rid of this. There's no meat in there anyway. So, if you hit the joints, it's not that hard to cut. We pat the chicken dry, so, and then make sure when we cook this, it's completely thawed out. When you marinate this, just so it will add to the crispiness of the chicken. Okay, now we'll stir this up. We're getting ready to put our chicken. Okay, just make sure that it it's all saturated with that marinade. And then we'll let it soak for minimum of 4 hours. And then if you want to really have a good flavor, is do it for overnight. I think that's warm enough, huh? Let's just try that for now. Okay, I cooked this for like 6 minutes, and then we're gonna fry it again so it will stay crispy even the next day. This looks good. Here is our finished product, our Korean chicken wings. So let's have a taste. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget, comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.